Hey guys, it's Morgan Zegers, and something huge is happening this week in the Supreme Court. It's going to send the liberals and the leftists off the rails for quite some time. I got to tell you all about it. Here's what happened. Okay, so this week the Supreme Court is hearing the oral arguments for the case Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health, and it's one of the most important news stories this year. So what's the big deal here? Well, this case challenges the legality of abortion, aka it might take down Roe v. Wade. Need a recap on Roe v. Wade? Well, it starts back in 1973 when the Supreme Court basically decided that it was now a constitutional right for a woman to abort her child. If you ask me, it's horrific. Lila Rose, one of my most favorite people ever personally, and the founder and leader of a nonprofit group called Live Action, said the importance and significance of this case cannot be overstated. After 50 years of court-mandated killing, the end of this murderous madness might finally be in sight. So how did we get to this momentous moment, though? Well, this is a case challenging Mississippi's law called the Gestational Age Act. It's legislation that stops abortion after 15 weeks of pregnancy. Experts say this is the most significant challenge to the standard of abortion set by Roe v. Wade back in 1973. But what makes it so significant? Honestly, you guys, it's basically just the science. This happened decades ago, Roe v. Wade. And now, since then, the understanding of the science around the development of a human baby has just become so much more advanced that now we know things like, at 15 weeks, a baby has a heartbeat, a baby can feel pain, a baby can suck its thumb, a baby has fully formed eyebrows and eyelids and lips and a nose. Basically, this baby at 15 weeks is certainly not a clump of cells the way the leftist talking points would have you believe. The big deal here is that thanks to President Trump, the Supreme Court now has a 6-3 conservative majority. Now, we aren't exactly expecting an answer on this case until about June 2022, but because of the significant findings rooted in science, it looks like the Supreme Court is probably going to hand a huge win to the pro-life movement, to the millions of Americans that want to protect life, and to the babies in the wombs.